Hi, welcome back to Shades of Radiology. Today I'm going to show you a classic case of TB peritonitis. This is the plain CT. Before moving to contrast, I'm going to show you the plain CT findings. You can see a diffuse omental nodularity with fat stranding, mild ascites, and you can see there is some amount of peritoneal wall thickening as well. You don't see such kind of peritoneal wall thickening above the liver or inferior to liver surface. You see here there is a peritoneal thickening as well on the plain CT itself. Presence of multiple mesenteric lymph nodes, but not that significant of size. And if you see even the pelvis, there is mild peritoneal wall thickening and ascites. Now I shall move on to the contrast. And this is the contrast arterial phase. Late arterial phase, you can see that you can better appreciate this peritoneal wall thickening. And one important finding which is present in this patient was this crescentic shaped fluid collection, which is thick walled and showing peripheral wall enhancement. You can see here as well that thick walled crescent shaped pleural fluid collection on left side, which is a classic empyema. And the same thing, now it is very better appreciated, the peritoneal thickening, omental fat stranding, and omental mild small nodularity. You can see small nodules here as well. And if you see here, the proximal jejunal loop is edematous here. So in TB, we do see some kind of omental the bowel inflammatory wall thickening like duodenum, jejunum, terminal ileum as well. In this case, the terminal ileum was completely normal. If you see here, the IC junction is normal. There is no any wall thickening as well. So this is the IC junction here. You can see the ileum coming outside. This is the cecum, and you can see again this peritoneal nodular mild thickening showing mild enhancement as well. So this is a classic case of TB peritonitis, wet type. We have dry type as well as wet type. What are the findings which we have seen? Omental nodularity, omental fat stranding, mild peritoneal thickening, mild ascites, and presence of associated empyema with sub-centimeter lymph nodes in the mesentery. So all these are highly suggestive of tuberculosis in this patient. The next step would be aspiration of this ascitic fluid and sending and analyze for the TB bacilli and as well as TB NAT test. Thank you all.